Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Technologic for another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing JBL Pulse Bluetooth speaker. These are really famous speakers. So let's start. So this is the overall box view, nothing on the top. On the side there is the guides how to connect it with your Bluetooth thing. So here you can see the light dial and the volume up and down keys, and this product has an Android and iOS app for this, so you can connect and customize the LED lights from the app. So nothing on the back, just few descriptions. So let's start. So the first thing you'll see is documents, so I don't want to read. So this is the styrofoam. So here we have a box for charger and all. So these are the chargers. This is the charger and wire. So, and this is the main device. So very nice looking knitted design. So here you can see the battery indicator, the pulse logo, the charging port and the aux facility. So with Bluetooth you can connect it with your aux cable also. So nothing on the bottom. Here we have a NFC enabled chip. So if you have an NFC enabled phone, so you can just tap on it and it will be connected automatically. So let's start. So if you can see, there is a very nice looking colorful LEDs flashing. So from here top you can just select the color. And here there is a multicolor button, you can just tap on it and it will be multicolor, not a single color. So there are many other forms. This is like random coloring LEDs. So there is one more. This is a flowing LEDs effect, and we have this equalizer effect. Right now the music is not on, so it's not playing. So this is a single equalizer portion, it won't be multiple bars of equalizer. So here you will be seeing only one equalizer bar, and again the multicolor thing. So let's connect it with our device and see how it works. is how it sounds like. So if you like this Pulse speaker, I will put down the links in the description. And if you go on the top, there is a volume key, a Bluetooth pairing button, on and off switch. So this button will change the LED pattern, and this is the brightness of the LED. So yes, thank you. If you like the video, please click on like, and please subscribe on my channel so for many unboxing videos. Thank you.